friends. Okay, so I decided I'm going to make you a little series. So make sure you watch this video and more to come, all about how to be more confident on camera. This is such a great topic because number one, my coaching clients are always asking about this because a lot of them own businesses or want to put themselves out there in some kind of way. So they're asking me. And also I'm a photographer. So I'm a life coach and I'm a photographer. And it's something that I help my photography clients with. However, that they don't normally need all the information because I'm there holding their hand through the whole thing because I'm the one taking the pictures or the video, right? So this is for you so you can feel confident on camera doing what I'm doing right now. And doing this by yourself when you don't have someone sitting right next to you helping you. And I have quite a few tips. So what I'm going to do is break them down into just one tip per video just to make this nice and quick. So if you don't know me, I am Shell Dransart. Like I said, I'm a life coach as well as a headshot and branding photographer, and I also do families and other things. My main goal for both of my businesses, the photography and the life coaching, is to help you tap into your confidence so you can allow your inner essence to shine out in life and in business. Do you want to know why I feel so strong about sharing this with you? It's because I have been on this journey myself. And it's an ongoing journey. Let me just tell you right now. And if you would have told me even 2 years ago that I would be on camera, I was so scared. And I have come so far since then, and I'm still afraid, but oh my gosh, I'm like a different person. And so I'm gonna share all my secrets that allowed me to step out of hiding because I was hiding. I was so afraid. And that's a whole different video I can make about why are we hiding. So I had to do a lot of mindset work on this, a lot of personal work around why I want to hide out. And now I'm just so passionate about helping other people shine their light in the world. So that's a little bit about me and about why I feel compelled to make this little video series for you. First tip that we will do today will be getting out of our head, our ego mind, and into our hearts. Because, of course, we are in our minds when we want to plan a video, right? We're thinking logically like, okay, what do I want to create and all that stuff, right? But which is fine. But what can happen is especially if we feel fear around being on camera, what can happen is we will start to overthink and analyze everything. We go into analysis paralysis, and what happens is all the what ifs can show up, right? What if I look or sound silly? What if I have a tech issue? What if people get mad at me? What if people reject me? What if they don't like what I have to say? What if I mess up what I have to say? What if, you see how I can just rattle those off? That's because I have struggled with that. And probably one of the biggest fears I had was, what if people misunderstand what I'm trying to say and they take it wrong? So this is the reason is because we're up here, right? We're in our ego mind, we're overthinking it. And really it's a disservice to you and your audience because you're not in your authentic voice. When you come from up here, you can sound really robotic and too perfect, like that's the other thing is like, I need it to be perfect. Well, people can sense that. So my number one tip for you, and I can show you how to do this, is to go into your heart. And I know this sounds like cliche, like speak from your heart, but I promise you, you are going to have such an easier time conveying your message. You are going to have a better time attracting your ideal client or your ideal audience, because they're going to resonate with your essence. And that's who you want, is people that actually resonate with your essence. So you can do this with me now, is you just put your hands over your heart. You could put one hand over your heart, one hand over your belly, or you could put both hands over your heart. And you just take some deep breaths and you just settle in. And when you come from this energy, from your heart chakra, when you come from this energy space, it's no longer about you anymore. Because when you are coming from up here, you're coming from, it's all about you. Your focus is on you. When you come from here, I don't know if you can feel this with me, you come from love. And when you come from love in a place of service, your audience can feel that. And guess what? It's about them. It becomes about them. You're serving them. And your message will come out so much clearer and calmer. And, you know, this is a fact. I believe in energy, and I'm sure you will understand what I'm about to say if you've felt this before. Sometimes it's not even about the words that someone says. It's about the way they make you feel. And so that's another little trick about this. When you come from here, we're energetic beings, and your audience, they're going to feel your energy. So it doesn't even matter really what you have to say, and you're not going to be stuck in the analysis paralysis or perfectionism. You're going to be in a love and a service-based energy. And your audience is going to just feel that from you. Okay? So that's my first tip for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, I'm Shell Dransart. I hope you like and subscribe for more. Please do, because I'm going to have more of these tips coming for you. And leave a comment and let me know if this helped you. Let me know what your struggles are with being on camera. I'm telling you right now, I have come so far, and I would love to help you be confident wherever you're struggling. You can also visit my website. It's www.shelldransart.com. I have lots of free resources on there for you. And make sure you come back and see what my next video is going to be about. And feel free to share this with your friends. Okay?